Right here, I've got some bread. Now, bread contains starch, and we can test for starch using some iodine. Iodine is a brown solution. However, when it comes into contact with starch, it turns black. So that's how we know that starch is present. The next thing that we're going to test is some milk. Now, milk contains protein, and we can test for the protein in milk using a solution called Biuret. Now, Biuret is a blue solution, but when it comes into contact with the milk, it turns purple. So that's how we know that protein is present. Now, we're going to test these sweets to see if they contain any glucose. For this test, we're going to need some Benedict solution. So first, I just had to warm it up a little bit. Now, Benedict's is a blue solution, but when it comes into contact with the glucose in the sweets, it turns orange. So that's how we know that glucose is present. Now, the final test is going to be on this sunflower oil. We're going to see if it contains any fats. For this, we're going to need some ethanol. After we add that, we're going to add in a little bit of distilled water. Now, ethanol and distilled water are both clear, but when they come into contact with the fats, they turn cloudy. So that's how we know that fats are present. You done know, man. Food test settings and that bite-sized thing.